So I'm excited to start my day 3 of Prolon. And Prolon is the fasting mimicking diet, which of course is in this box. They give you a box with 5 different days in it. I've already done day 1 and day 2. So now I'm into day 3. Here's day 3. And it says we're ready to rumble. So once again, it has a menu that shows you what each day has in store. So we're on day 3 here, and there's something called an L drink, which helps prevent you losing lean body mass. Because a lot of people, when they go on fasts, they're not losing fat so much as they're losing lean body muscle and so on. So this drink prevents that. So I'm going to put the amount in here that's required based on my weight, and then discard the rest. And then I use these 2 packets of herbal tea in water with the amount of L drink. And I steep that in my refrigerator so I have it all day to sip on. This morning I start my breakfast with this fasting bar. And they give you a tea bag so you can have tea with it, but I prefer to have mine with some decaf coffee. So that's what I'll be doing. And then for lunch, I'll be having chickpea and leek soup mix. I mix that in water on the stove. I use a pot. Some people do it in the microwave, but I like to do it in a pot. But of course, you also get some vitamins and minerals. And in the soup, I also have been given extra virgin olive oil pouch here to put in with the soup for the healthy fats. And crackers that go with it. Crackers. I usually split these up between morning and evening because we also get a soup for evening. And the soup tonight is tomato soup. And, of course, another Evo. And I am really excited about this because now I'm entering into ketosis. What it says is you're halfway there. You're in the nutrition golden phase. Your regeneration starts from within. So I know that by the end of this week, by Friday, I will have lost a few pounds, like 5 or 6 pounds. But that's not the intent of this. The intent of the Prolon is to rejuvenate, get rid of the dead cells inside your body, and be able to just clean house and do this once every 3 or 4 months. I did it every month for a year, and now I am doing it every 3 months, and I feel terrific. I recommend this.